Hey, ladies and gentlemen, I was looking over the news feed recently and saw a cool application of some insider transaction information. And I'm looking at a stock here, looking at the company IZEA, it's ticker IZEA, and want to show you how you can use Benzinga Pro to unlock and find some of this information and use it, possibly use it in a strategy. So what I'm looking at over here on the left side of the screen is my Benzinga Pro newsfeed. I'm going to filter right now to SEC filings. Come over here, click my Benzinga signals and my Benzinga wire off, and I'm going to click on my SEC filing. And I got the chart up over here, and obviously you can see there was some kind of good news item here impacting shares of IZEA, and then there was a quick sell-off. So I want to try to figure out why there was that sell-off. And when I switched over to my SEC feed, and actually what I'm going to do is I'm going to filter even a little more here, and I'm going to type in Form 4, which is the form of SEC filing, which shows insider transactions. So when I am scrolling through here and I'm looking at a lot of insider transactions in IZEA, there's one that really is sticking out, and it's this one that is from September 25th, the afternoon of September 25th. It says a director of the company, AWM, sold 450,000 shares at a price of $5.74. Now, if we scroll over on our chart and we look up September 26th, actually, let's look at September 27th because this transaction happened after hours, so it wouldn't be impacting the stock until the next day. So let's go over and I'm going to scroll over and I'm going to be looking for September 27th, and you'll look to see that the stock IZEA shares were trading at about, let's call it about $6 on that date. This fund that sold 450,000 shares actually sold at $5.74. You can see what happened over the course of the next month. Shares saw quite a bit of selling pressure, and about a month later were trading down almost in half from where they were trading at the time that this SEC filing disclosed the sale of 450,000 shares. Now, what's really interesting is this is only half of the story, because, like I said, there was some kind of news item that drove the stock up here, which would elicit the insider to start selling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out a little bit on my chart here, and let's notice a band of insider transactions that happened down here. This date is August 3rd. So what the SEC filing on Benzinga Pro, these Form 4 filings are showing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 insiders at IZEA who had purchased shares ahead of some kind of news item that the public didn't know about. So what happened here on August 3rd? Let's mouse over here and see where the stock was trading on August 3rd. So it was trading about, I'm looking at August 2nd and 4th here. So the stock was trading about $1.80 or so. So whatever the news item was here, we don't necessarily care about it right now. What we care about is the fact that at least 5 insiders in this company purchased shares ahead of a big move. This is a really good example of how you can use insider transactions for both some upside exposure and also some downside exposure when execs decide to start selling. Thanks a lot, everyone.